Christmas just passed, a few days ago, but it's still giving Christmas vibe. Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. If you did join this channel for the first time, I go by the name Hotspot. Today's video we're going to be checking out this amazing video by Diana. I think for now I'll be calling her Diana Angel because she sings exactly like an angel. No, she sings like an angel, yes, for real. She sings like an angel. I love her voice a lot. Her voice is giving. She have a very lovely voice, sweet voice. If you're Diana fan, come forward now. Come forward, come. Let's support this channel by subscribing, commenting, sharing, showing love. You can do all you can do for this channel, like for real. You can do all you can do for Diana and me. So without no wasting time, let's pass into this video. No, this song is just giving Christmas vibe though. Christmas just passed, a few days ago, but it's still giving Christmas vibe. Man, are you for real? You just click the button like S up. What you saying? That's good. Look at her action, her reaction. She's giving all she have. She deserves it, man. Oh, they all clicked the button. Man, she's so happy, She used all her expression to sing. All her feelings. Woo! Whoa! Oh my goodness, this is lovely. This is excellent. This is so demure. Like, man, she's so good. Like they all click the button because she's singing with her whole feelings, a whole expression. She's not just singing, she's acting, she's directing, she's doing everything in this video. For real, man, this guy is so good. So tell me what you feel about this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you share the video to your friends, your loved one. See you in my next video. Peace out.